Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use TradingView Bar Replay. This powerful feature allows you to practice your trading strategies by simulating live market conditions on historical data. To get started, simply locate the bar replay icon in the top toolbar of your chart. Once activated, you can select a specific point on your chart to begin the replay, effectively rewinding time to test your analysis. It's an excellent way to refine your skills without risking capital. Once bar replay is active, a control panel appears, giving you full command over the simulation. You can easily adjust the speed of the replay from very slow to very fast to match your learning pace. The panel also allows you to pause the replay, play it continuously, or advance through each bar individually. Furthermore, if you wish to jump to a different period, you can quickly skip to a new date or time within the historical data. Bar replay is invaluable for testing your trading strategies. As the market unfolds in the simulation, you can apply your favorite indicators and drawing tools just as you would in live trading. This allows you to observe how your chosen strategy performs under various market conditions. You can clearly identify potential entry and exit points, helping you to refine your decision-making process and build confidence in your trading plan. To maximize your learning, try practicing with bar replay across different time frames. This can reveal how your strategy reacts to various market volatilities and trends. Always take time to review your completed replay sessions, analyzing both successful and unsuccessful trades to learn from your decisions. Remember, consistent practice is key to improvement. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.